Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, this is an ongoing problem today. A lot of people are affected. Not everybody, but a lot of people. Once again, Facebook still many hours after my first post down, at least 4 to 5 hours now. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger all down for a big majority of people. It is interesting because the Facebook team went to Twitter to post about their problems, but there was a few posts that were deleted. So apparently, the story behind this is that they updated a routing table. So servers in these big networks actually have what we call a routing table, which is kind of telling servers where to go to different services and to have it working, in different countries and so on. So it's kind of a roadmap, if you want, for all the computers in the servers in the company to, talk to each other and be able to process the information that's done. Well, apparently a faulty routing table was actually uploaded and it messed up majorly. Really major mess up of Facebook, to a point where the fact that it takes a long time to fix, has to do with a multiple of things together. First of all, apparently they can't put it back the way it was. It requires several different parts and teams of Facebook to work together in order to put things back together. And also the fact that with COVID, a lot of the different server areas don't have as much staff as they usually do. All that together is making a big mess right now. It is very interesting to see that such a huge network as Facebook is incapable of, having some form of backup system to fix quickly a problem like this. I think that lots of lessons are going to be learned at Facebook with this. Pretty crazy when you think about it, and ongoing. You wouldn't think that such a major service could be down for such a long time. And a lot of users talking, because Facebook is used for all sorts of different things. But there are users that actually are saying, this is breaking my contacts with some people that I needed to talk to today via Messenger, for example, and so on. This shows you got to have a backup system. If you've been only contacting your friends through Facebook or Messenger, it might be useful to have some other means if problems like this happen. So an ongoing problem. Hopefully it's going to be fixed at some point soon. But they really have messed up, it seems, with the routing tables on the servers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.